Did you know that you can use the Face Reshaper to create a different kind of face with DaVinci Resolve for the iPad? Yes, it even works on the iPads. It's an AI that is now new with DaVinci Resolve 21, and I will show you now this feature. Here, next feature, AI Face Reshaper for flexible reshapes and resizing of facial features. I already prepared a clip here. This is the first one. I have this clip where I completely changed my face, and the way how you can add this here, I have the same clip. I select the clip and I come here to the color page, and in the color page I add a new node, and then when you have a new node, you search here for face under the effects, here effects, face, and then you find here Face Reshaper. You just simply drag and drop this onto your node, and then you will get here this menu here. So you go all the way up. The first thing you have to do is detect the face in the frame. Then it will detect the face. Then I track and back and forward the whole movement of the clip. It depends on how long it is. I would recommend you chop up only the part that you actually want to use to reshape everything, then it's easier. So now I reshaped everything. It gets all the points. We don't want them, so we can show overlay on and off. Then here are a couple of features that we can change inside of that thing. The first one is face location that you can change for manual adjustment, but we now go here directly to the face shapes. I can change the size of my face, can make it small, or I can make it big. I can go with the width. I can even increase the length of my face. I can change the cheek position. I can change the chin, the jaw, even the forehead. Then we have another tab here for eyes, and in the eyes I can make the eyes smaller, bigger, the height of the eyes, can change all of this, separation. The cool thing about all of this, we also have keyframes, so you could even animate all of this later in the movie if you want. We have positions here from my eyes, the angle that I can change if you see here, and then the A back, and a lot. We also have a tab just for the nose, so I can change even the nose size, the width of the nose, make it smaller, make the height and change that one. And then we also have the mouth that I can change with the size. And then, for example, position, I can bring it more down, the width, and a smile down. Or nice. Is that not nice what I'm creating right now? So what I recognize with this feature, you don't even have to, on my M1 iPad, I don't even have to render it. So this AI feature actually works in real time. And a way that you can work with these kind of clips is that you can, for example, just highlight that part here with the in point, it's this one here, and the out point. And then if this part is laggy and you can't replay it because you have an older iPad, you can just render out this part here and then render it out, create a video out of this one, and then just add the video. I, for example, have this video here already created, and then I drag and drop this into my timeline. Now this one is already baked in because I rendered the video, and now I can use this clip in my timeline, so I can always preview it in my timeline. This feature here, the AI Face Reshaper, is very similar to the one that we also was introduced, the AI Face Agent Transformer, that I made a separate video in my last video, so definitely check that one out if you haven't seen that one. And if you want to learn more about DaVinci Resolve on the iPad, because DaVinci Resolve is the full software. We have control, as you could see here in my iPad version. I have all of the pages here on the bottom, even the edit page, the fusion page, and even the Fairlight page. All of those exist on the iPad as well because it is the entire same software like the desktop software. And I created a complete masterclass from beginner to pro where I teach you everything that you need to know to become a pro with DaVinci Resolve. And obviously, everything that you learn here, even if it's a bit iPad specific, you can use on the desktop as well. So actually, everything that you learn is for DaVinci Resolve. And I have more and more people even commenting under my YouTube videos that they're like, wow, I found your video and actually helped me. And I was not even using the iPad. I was actually using the desktop. Yes, because it's the same software. Some nuances are a bit different. Now we even have the menu. For example, in the past, there was no menu that we can open up here on the top. Then we had to use shortcuts or a workaround. So when you find all the videos and I show something, then either I show it here with the menu bar or I show you the shortcut how you can open something. If you want to learn more about DaVinci Resolve, I created that masterclass for you. You can check that out in the description. There's a link in the pinned post as well. And I'm Daniel, and on this channel, it's all about DaVinci Resolve for the iPad and DaVinci Resolve on the desktop as well. There are more and more videos coming in the future about desktop as well. So I wish you a wonderful day, and I hope you learned something today. Hit like, subscribe, ding-a-ding the bang bang gong, and we see us in the next video. Bye.